Hey there, so first off, the lighting keeps changing every 5 minutes, so I'm sorry about that. Anyway, as you can probably see, this is a bit of a different look. What a surprise it's me. But the day this goes up, which is Saturday, is Guy Fawkes night, Bonfire night, fireworks night, whichever you call it. For those of you that are not in England, a quick rundown, as it is a English-based holiday, if you like, is Guy Fawkes was a person who tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. It was known as a gunpowder plot. Self-explanatory, he was using gunpowder. But he was foiled. And because of this, every year we celebrate that he was foiled, even though this was this was hundreds of years ago now, I think. We still celebrate it. And we celebrate it by making a Guy Fawkes out of straw and burning it on a bonfire. I'm not kidding. We burn the Guy Fawkes on a bonfire and then set off fireworks. Yeah, I'm not kidding on this. We really do this. This is a thing. It's a bit of a weird one, but it's always been very much something that everyone loves, and I haven't been able to go to a fireworks night for many years, so I'll have my fireworks on my face instead, shall I? So I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It's another one of my videos that I had to film twice. It's a way more too common occurrence at the minute. But anyway, I enjoyed it. I hope you do too. Be safe if you are doing anything for Bonfire Night. And let's get started. Hello. So the reason we're doing only one eye will become apparent later on. But for now, we're just going to... For now, my eye is primed, my eyebrow is done. If you're wondering, it's raining and it's horrible outside, so the lighting isn't the best. Anyway, we're going to start off with the e.l.f. I have no idea what this is. It's a cream eyeshadow of some sort. And this is actually got a name. It's called Hit the Town. So just all over the lid as normal. Oh, and if you can hear stuff, of course, as I've started filming, there is some building work going on across the road. Because so far this week, they have only been there on the days that I've filmed. Next up, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution, my god, the hair, sorry, single eyeshadow in Touch Me as our colour to set everything. And now I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's single eyeshadow again. This time it's in Smokin 1. Fluffy brush. And that's our first crease colour. Next up, I'm going to use Freedom Makeup, the Future Bright palette. I'm going to use the matte black at the end over here. And we start on the outer corner like we normally do and go in. And then just go all the way around. And use Smokin 1 to blend that out again. Then I'm going to take the matte V2 palette and Noir into the outer corner and up again, and this will be slightly more concentrated as the first black is not the blackest of blacks, so it's like a base stage, smoky. A very classic smoky eye like this is all about layering and bit by bit. You may notice I've just adjusted my brow because it was way too arched, but obviously it's not perfect. I will fix that when I'm back off camera. Anyway, next up, I'm going to use the I Heart Makeup Geek palette, and I'm going to use this bright silver there. And that's on the first half of your lid. Same Makeup Geek palette, and I'm going to use this deep shimmery charcoal here. That's going on the outer half of the lid. Next up, I'm going to use the I Heart Makeup All Day and Night eyeliner in Dangerous Games. This is a lash line. I had a thought, so even though we've put that down, which is fine, we can have that down, it's not going to be the grey lower lash line anymore. I'm going to use the Sleek eyeshadow palette, the V2 one. I'm going to use the Deep Navy, which I can't remember the name of, but obviously description box. Okay, liner time. Bourjois liner pencil. Okay, that's liner done. I'm now going to go do mascara and lashes. I might do foundation off camera, I don't know yet. I'll let you know, obviously, and I'll see you in a minute. Very strange looking. You'll see why soon. Anyway, I put primer and foundation on. Products used will be in the description box. And I was doing my concealer and I thought, you know what? From here on I'm using newer products, so you might want to see them. The primer and foundation I've used a million times before, so... Anyway, I'm using the Freedom Pro Camouflage Paste in CF02. And you'll see this tutorial before the haul, but there's a haul going up on Tuesday, which is a number of Freedom products, so you're getting a bit of a sneak peek. And makeup with those products. Yes, I'm holding him. Don't judge me. I feel you're judging me. In all seriousness, I've got to stop buying makeup. Christmas. I've got to focus on Christmas. Now I'm going to use the Freedom HD Pro HD Longwear Concealer. This is in white, and down bridge of the nose, chin, a little bit under each eye. Blend that in. Come on, camera. Camera. Be good. Makeup Revolution Ghost Powder. And that's to set all the white. Next I'm going to use MUA Skin Define Hydro Powder. That's to set everything else. Needs a few seconds to set, so I'm going to use the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer on my right eye, obviously. And blend that out. While that sets, Makeup Gallery Colour Story Single Eyeshadow in Cappuccino. Blush-wise Collection Blush and Shocking, if I can get it open. Just on my left cheek, not on my right. And I'd like to use my new highlighter that I got today, but it's not really going to work for what I'm going for. So I'm going to use Look Beauty Cheeky Trio for Fair Skin in Candy Floss. You want quite a heavy highlight again, just on the one side. Then that primer should be dry. Yep, feels it just about. Now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Single Eyeshadow in Touch Me. And I'm just going to blend that over the entire lid. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Give Them Darkness palette. That bright ass blue just there. Thin angled brush. And we're going to use our eye as a starting point, and all around we're going to draw very quite random lines in a circular pattern, like a firework. I'm so scared to do this right. Can you see how scared I am? I've almost got to touch my skin like 5 times. Right, just do it, woman. That worked. Now I'm going to use a slightly different colour blue. This is from the Freedom Chasing Rainbows palette, and that's the middle blue there. And then just more lines. I don't know why my camera keeps doing that as soon as I get close. Stop it. Bad camera. Now I'm going to use the I Heart Makeup Geek palette again. That middle beautiful blue. Guess what? More lines. Now I'm going to use the Sleek Matte V2 palette and the matte navy we used on the lower lash line of the other eye. And more lines. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Glossy Liquid Liner in... I haven't got a name, but it's silver. And more lines. Makeup Revolution Eyesight Angels palette. I'm going to use this deep shimmery navy up here, which for some reason is called Green Dreams. What the fuck? It's not green. Anyway. I'm going to use that on an eyeshadow brush. Oh, sorry. Then I'm going to use a matte navy. And then I'm just going to bring the shimmery navy underneath as well. Okay, now I'm going to go and do liner and lashes on this eye, obviously, and I may do 1 or 2 more fireworks all on this eye, I don't know yet. Then I'll be back to do the lips. See you in a minute. So, did you really expect me not to do purple fireworks? What do you think? I like it. It worked out well. As you can see, I've just started doing the lips. I was just testing it out. Obviously everything I use will be in the description box. You know, it's easy. You saw me do this eye, you draw lines. Anyway, I'm lining my lips with Makeup Revolution Hypocrisy eyeliner in Baddest Blue. Makeup Revolution lipstick in Depravity. In the middle and blending out. I'm a right old mess around with silver there, but I think I've got where I want. That's ended up being the Rimmel Scandalized eyeshadow paint in Silver Mercury, like a lip highlight. Anyway, that's it, that's done. I hope you enjoy this. It's really different and of course I like it. So I hope you like it too, and until next time, just believe. Bye!